Hello friends, welcome. In this video, we are going to discuss a different types of profit margins. If you wanted to understand your business performance in each and every stage, understanding this profit margin always necessary. So let us take an example of the case. So imagine in your business, you have a sales. You have a sales of 100. From these sales, if you subtract, if you less cost of goods sold, you will be getting the result, and that is called as gross profit. What is the gross profit here? 50. Sales 100 minus COGS is what? Gross profit 50. From the gross profit, if you subtract, if you less operating expenses, you will be getting operating profit. From the operating profit, if you subtract non-operating expenses, you will be getting PBT, profit before taxes, that is 15. From these 15 rupees, if you subtract the taxes, you will be getting net profit, that is PAT, profit after taxes. Sales minus COGS giving you gross profit. Gross profit minus operating expenses is giving you operating profit. Operating profit minus non-operating expenses is giving you profit before taxes, and profit before taxes minus taxes is giving you profit after taxes. And if you try to convert these into a percentages, you got this kind of percentages. Gross profit margin is 50%. So your gross profit is 50 out of your sales is what gross profit margin, and you have operating profit is 20 rupees. If you compare with these sales, you have a profit margin of 20%, and profit before taxes 15 rupees out of 100 rupees sales is what? A profit before taxes. Now we try to understand, because it is all equal now, we'll try to understand by taking a simple case. Let's take an example. You have a business with a sales of 15,000 and your cost of goods sold is 7,000. So what is the gross profit in your business? So sales 15,000 minus cost of goods sold. What is your gross profit now? 8,000. Now we'll try to convert this into a percentage. I wanted to know what is my gross profit margin. So what is a gross profit divided by your sales? By comparing my sales, I wanted to understand what is my profit margin. Okay, how much profit I'm making? What is the percentage of profit? So gross profit divided by sales multiplied by 100. What is my profit margin now? 53%. Now from, let's say, from these gross profit, assume I have an operating expenses of 3,500. So what is my net profit? 8,000 minus 3,500. What is my operating profit? 4,500. What is this percentage of my operating profit compared to my sales? So 4,500 divided by 15,000 multiplied by 100. So what is my operating profit margin? That is 30%. What is my gross profit margin? 53%. What is my operating profit margin? 30%. And let's say in my business I have non-operating expenses of 2,000 rupees. Non-operating expenses of 2,000 rupees. So 4,000 rupees operating profit minus 2,000 non-operating expenses. What is my profit before taxes? Is 2,500. What is my profit before tax margin? 2,500 divided by total sales multiplied by 100. What is my profit before the taxes? Is 16%. My profit before taxes is 16% and less taxes. Let's assume there are 500 rupees is the taxes. So profit before taxes minus taxes. What is my PAT, profit after tax? Let us compute what is my net margin. So 2,000 profit after taxes divided by sales multiplied by 100. So in my business, I am running a business with a net profit margin of 13%. What is my business gross profit margin percentage? 53. What is my operating profit percentage? 30. What is my profit before tax margin? 16. What is my net to profit margin in my business? Is 13%. So this is the different type of margin. So to understand your business performance in each stage, understanding profit margin is also important, right? Thank you.